Hey guys, Mr. Thibodeau here. If you like multiplying and dividing by 10, this is going to be a pretty fun and easy lesson for you. Okay, so your mental math and problem solving, and even here we get some practice for our tens. When we're talking about today is the metric system. And the metric system is really nice in some regards, in that everything is base 10, which means instead of 12 inches to a foot, it's 10 decimeters to a meter, or it's 10 centimeters to a decimeter. And you can see it kind of shown here. 1 meter is 10 decimeters, is 100 centimeters, is 40 millimeters. So here, if we're looking at 40, you could talk about that as 40 centimeters. You could talk about it as 4 decimeters. You could talk about it as 0.4 meters, or you could talk about it as 400 millimeters. Okay, all of which are an accurate description for this length from here to here. Okay, so it's relatively straightforward, and it's not too difficult. Okay, so 1 meter plus 35 centimeters tall. So what was Eduardo's height in meters? Well, it's just 1.35. Okay. So you could say he was 1 meter, 3 decimeters, and 5 centimeters. Or what we usually do, we don't use decimeters as often, just because it's easy enough to say 35 centimeters. So decimeters you won't hear as often. It's kind of like 10,000s where we just don't. It's not as necessary. So we'll instead say 1 meter plus 35 centimeters tall. So it was 1.35. Okay. Let's see. We round to the given nearest. Oh, sorry. Next page is this way. I know how pages work. You do not need to do activity 2, so I'll skip that. And then the lesson, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do this with you if you wait around. But the written practice, let's go ahead and do 15 through 23 all. Okay. All right. So go ahead and try and do the lesson here, the work here, practice set. If you get stuck, come back and unpause, and I'll have it here. Which of these is the most reasonable measurement for the length of an automobile? 4.5. So they're asking which one sounds correct. So 4.5 millimeters is really small. Decimeters is a little bigger. Centimeters kind of in the middle, and meters is pretty big, which is probably accurate because a automobile is pretty large. Now, 4.5 centimeters might be a matchbox car, right? But meters is going to be a real car. Alonso is 1 meter plus 43 centimeters tall. Use decimal to write it in meters, so it's just 1.43. See, it's easy. You just move it over. You just put the point there. A ruler is 30 centimeters long. How many decimeters is it? Boom! Goes the dynamite. Okay. 3 decimeters. That's it. That's the ball game. All right, guys. Have a good one. Bye.